Good morning, girls and guys. How are you all? I hope you all are fit and fine, and I'm very sure you all are keeping yourself in good health. Well, guys, as you know very well that we have started our online lectures, and this is going to be your third lecture of social studies, and this is going to be your last topic of December test as well. It's mean today we will start our new topic, and our today's topic is about goods and services. Let's talk about the preview of your lecture number 3. Well, guys, in our today's lecture, we'll talk about goods and services. Well, as you know very well that in economics, products can be, classified into goods and services. And according to the economic theory, consumption of goods and services is assumed to provide satisfaction to the customers. Guys, the process by which goods and services are produced, sold, and bought is called economy. And guys, a business can be defined as an organization that provides goods and services by charging price from others who want them or who need them. Okay, so your today's lecture is about goods and services. Through different pictures, we guys will learn about what are goods and what are services. And guys, in this topic, goods and services, we will talk about goods and services. We will discuss in our further lectures about public goods and private goods, and in the next lecture number 4 we'll definitely going to talk about about some private properties and public properties. So fasten your seat belts because we are going to start our lecture number 3. Well, guys, let's talk about goods. Do you know what are goods? Well, guys, goods are items that you can buy, or you can say that goods are items that are tangible or visible, like food, clothing, toys, furniture, toothpaste, and whatever is in your surrounding. You can say that if that thing is tangible, means visible. You can see that thing comes in the category of goods. Right now, where I am sitting, I have chairs next to me. I have some food items, I have table, I have heater, I have some clothes. So guys, all these things which are tangible or visible, they comes in the category of goods, right? So let's talk that why people buy goods. Well, guys, people need them, that's why they buy goods, right? And because some people sell them because they want money. So same thing, you can say that goods are things that people buy to use one time, such as a piece of candy, or you can say that a toy. And some goods are manufactured or made, such as clothes, car, and computer. Well, other goods that are grown, including fruits, vegetables, and guys, these things are also called goods. When something which are manufactured and something which is grown, okay, they all come in the category of goods and goods. Well, guys, many goods are made from natural resources. For example, tree, and you can say that pencil, paper, furniture. And guys, cotton is used to make cloth, and copper is used to make wires and coins. So you can say that there are many different kinds of goods, and some goods are manufactured, few goods are grown. So all things which are grown, manufactured, and these things are tangible or visible, they are called goods. Well, guys, goods are those, or you can say that such food items and which satisfy any human wants or needs, they call goods, right? You can say that people who produce goods and who produce good, they are called producers, okay? And the people who use these goods, they are called consumers. So let's discuss services. Well, guys, service is an action or work which is done by someone else for you, right? Or you can say that when people perform jobs for others, the jobs are called services. For example, you can see that in this diagram or picture, which is right now, popping on your screen, you can see that tailor is sewing the clothes, chef is making food, and there are different people who are performing different jobs. So all these people who are doing work for us, they are doing service. And right now, what I'm doing for you, I'm doing service for you because I'm teaching you, right? And guys, there are two types of services. Some services are paid and some services are unpaid. For example, your mother cooks food for you. She's doing a service because she's doing a work, right? And guys, but she's not getting any money, any salary for that thing. But being as a teacher, I'm teaching you, and in return I'm getting salary. So the service which your mom do for you, that is called unpaid service, and the service which I'm doing for you, that is called paid service, right? So let's talk about services. Well, guys, here you can say that goods are items that can be seen, touched, such as books, pens, and clothes. And guys, goods are physical products, and you can say that goods are something which you can see, which you can touch, and which you can sell as well, right? Which you can sell to different people, and the people who buy these goods, they are called consumers. And guys, let's discuss about services. Well, you can say that a service is an action that a person does for someone else, and in return they get money. Okay, sometimes they get money, and sometimes services are unpaid. For example, a service of a person who cuts your hair, medical checkups, mail delivery, car repair, or any technical service, or even a teaching. This is a service, right? So barber is cutting your hair. What the barber is doing? Barber is doing a service for you, right? And the gadgets which he use for cutting your hair, these gadgets are called goods, right? So girls and guys, you can say that services would be performed of any duty by a person or work for another person, right? For example, many of your parents are working, okay? They are working, they are jobians. So whatever they are doing service, okay? For example, if someone's parents are teacher, they are teaching, and someone parents are businessman, so they are selling products, but they are, in short, they are doing service, right? They are doing work. And some services are paid and some services are unpaid, as I told you. Well, guys, some services are, activities, or you can say that a job which we do without money. Okay. For example, if someone is needy and you're helping that person, it's mean you are doing a service. So right now in this, slide, you can see there are some goods and services. So the first good which you can see, you can touch. That thing is visible. It's mean the right now monitor which is on the left side of the screen, you can see that monitor, even you can touch that monitor, okay? And the dentist is checking his patient. So guys, that dentist is doing a service, right? So I'm very sure this picture is a very clear picture about goods and services. Right now on my screen, there are a few things are popping up. So what do you think? What are these? These are goods or services? Just try to find out the answer, that these are goods or services. Remember, goods are things and service is an action, or you can say that is a work does for someone else, or in return of money, or for some time it is a kind of favor, right? So guys, you can say that a good is an object or service is an action, right? Good is an object or service is an action. And the people who provide us, their services are called community helpers. And some of the people who work for the community, we observe in our daily lives, such as firefighters, librarians, police officers, teachers, bus drivers, and doctors. They all people are called, the people who provide us a service, they are called public servants, okay? Some servants are private servants, some servants are public servants. Public servants are supposed to serve public, okay, and the private servants are supposed to serve the specific, private public, okay. So the previous picture, which was a picture of some McDonald's fries, some toys, mobile phone, a picture of a house or a laptop, that these are the pictures, or you can say that these are the things which you can touch and these are visible. So guys, these things are called goods. And the next picture, in this picture you can see that the teacher is teaching students and someone is doing some service, and the mother is cooking inside the kitchen, and the man is fixing the car or filling the oil or petrol in car, right? So that's how the services and goods are playing an important role in our life. Where guys, the people who buy these goods and services, they are called consumer, right? They are called consumer. So I'm very sure you all have enjoyed this lecture. So girls and guys, let's talk about your third assignment of social studies. Well, what you have to do, you have to draw any 5 pictures of goods, and you have to tell me what is the difference between goods and services. And I'm very sure while this lecture you all have learned about goods and services in a very good manner. Well guys, I'll see you in your next lecture. Till then, take care of yourself and make sure you're doing all these assignments carefully, okay? You have to draw any 5 pictures, pictures of any 5 goods, okay? These goods, maybe your, the things which are, which are next by you, okay? And which are in your surrounding. You can draw the picture of any house, any building, anything which you can see, okay? For example, I am doing a work, okay? I'm doing work. You cannot touch my service, because service is something which is called intangible, and the things which are tangible, these are things are called goods. So guys, take care of yourself. I'll see you in your next lecture. Till then, take care. Do whatever you want to do, but do not trouble your nieces and nephews, because right now my niece is here, my nephew is here, and I'm enjoying with them a lot, and I'm very sure that you're gonna do the same thing. You are not going to create any trouble for your siblings and your family members, and for your teachers and for your parents as well, okay? I'll see you in your lecture number 4. See ya, bye bye, Allah Hafiz.